The next station is Salsa, JO10. The doors on the right side will open. Please.
1番線ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。Hello guys. So I guess I'm starting the vlog now. I went to the beach today and it's my first day of Golden Week, so it's just like I can do anything, I'm free, and I wanted to go to the beach. Going to Nightfire in Yokohama, which I've been once before, but it was the old location. So on the closing day, I went to their big closing event, and then it was just closed, and then they opened a new location that I've never been to yet. So I'm going there now. And yeah, I will vlog, and I don't know what to expect because I don't often go to like Yokohama and like Kanagawa events unless I happen to be in the area, but it feels like summer today, so yeah, let's go. Oyasumi! 初めての新しいナイトファイア。イェーイ！イェーイ！横浜。おやすみ。Good night, Yokohama.